Hello, we are Bell X1. This is a song called Velcro. There's not a lot that you can do in this van with these 5 young boys stuck in confined spaces. The pram is only so many toys. You fall in love with girls in high-vis jackets, the girls in the golf carts, welly tans and sunglasses, but it's over before it starts. In a field in Texas, under the Velcro rain, pulled from a deepening quicksand by an angel in his chain. I'll be your tongue, you'll be my groove, I'll be your positive, be my negative. I'll be your tongue, you'll be my groove, I drive to get away, you bring the glue. I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro. I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro. Now we're clacking at computers in the sickly light they throw, all jonesing for Wi-Fi so we can steal more TV shows. Watching a 6-year-old on YouTube playing drums to Billie Jean. Oh, this is the stuff that binds us, this and others. I'll be your positive, you'll be my negative. I'll be your tongue, you'll be my groove, I drive to get away, you bring the glue. I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro. I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro. We're heading home, airport screaming. The man has his rubber gloves on. He says there's explosive residue on the strings of my guitar. Well, that'll be 6 weeks of sweating now in a pop rock combo. So why don't you come and join us? You can take all the solos. I'll be your tongue, you'll be my groove, I'll be your positive, you'll be my negative. I'll be your tongue, and you'll be my groove. I drive to get away, and you bring the glue. I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro. I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro, yeah, I'll be your Velcro. I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro. I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro, I'll be your Velcro.
ExploreMusic wears English laundry apparel.